So good morning to all. So now I am going to be discuss zoology assignment. So what is the first bit here? So here, so maximum volume of air a person can breathe in after a forced expiration is called. So what is that? So that is nothing but the vital capacity. So vital capacity. What is that vital capacity? So vital capacity is equal to. So here the vital capacity is equal to. So vital capacity is equal to. So ERV expiratory reserve volume plus tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. Okay. So here vital capacity nothing but ERV plus TV plus IRV. Okay. The maximum volume of a person can breathe in after a forced expiration is called vital capacity. Vital capacity include ERV plus TV plus IRV. Okay. So next, total volume of air accommodate in the lungs at the end of a forced inspiration. So what we are calling that we are calling that total lung capacity. Okay, total lung capacity. Total lung capacity is equal to, yes, total lung capacity is equal to RV, or it includes residual volume, that is RV, and also include ERV also, expiratory reserve volume, and also it includes TV also, tidal volume, or it also include IRV also. Okay, or or so vital capacity. So vital capacity plus residual volume. Okay, total lung capacity is equal to VC plus RV. So vital capacity plus residual volume. Total volume of air accommodated in lungs at the end of a forced inspiration is called total lung capacity. Total lung capacity equal to RV. It includes RV, ERV, and tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume plus R VC plus RV. Okay. Next third question. Okay. So what is here? What is the here? Inspiratory capacity, IC. So inspiratory capacity, I see here nothing but TV, tidal volume plus IRV. So IC is equal to, inspiratory capacity is equal to tidal volume plus inspiratory reserve volume. Okay. So total volume of air a person can inspire after a normal expiration is called inspiratory capacity, IC. Okay. Next, fourth question. The additional volume of air a person can expire by forcible expiration. This average is, so that is average is 1000 to, that average is 1000 to 1100. Okay. So additional volume of air a person can expire by forcibly expiration. This average is 1000 to 1100 ml. Next, fifth question. So volume of air inspired or expired during a normal respiration is called, tidal volume. Okay. What is TV here? Yes, what is TV? The volume of air inspired or expired during a normal respiration is called tidal volume. So what is the average tidal volume? Around 500 ml. Okay. In a healthy person, what is the tidal volume? That is around 6,000 to 8,000 ml per minute. So that is a average tidal volume of healthy person per minute. So tidal volume is 500, per minute is around 600 to 6,000 to 8,000 per minute, ml per minute. Next, the volume of air that remain in the lungs after a normal expiration is called, that is nothing but functional residual capacity. Functional residual capacity, that is nothing but FRC. So FRC is equal to ERV plus RV. Expiratory reserve volume plus residual volume. So what is that functional residual capacity? The volume of air that remain in the lungs after a normal expiration is called functional residual capacity. So next question, seventh question. So tidal volume plus expiratory reserve volume. We already discussed tidal volume and expiratory reserve volume. So here TV plus, so here expiratory capacity EC is equal to tidal volume plus expiratory reserve volume. So EC is equal to TV plus ERV. So right answer is here, first one, expiratory capacity. Next, eighth question, the volume of air remaining in the lungs even after forcible expiration, that is nothing but residual volume. So what is the average of this one residual volume? That is around 1100 to 1200 ml. That is a residual volume of lungs. Next. Yes. So additional volume of air a person can inspire by a forcible inspiration. This average is around 2500 to 3000 ml. This is average value of IRV. Inspiratory reserve volume. What is that? Inspiratory reserve volume here. Additional volume of air a person can inspire by forceful inspiration. This average is 2500 to 3000. What is here IRV? That is nothing but additional volume of air a person can inspire by a forcible inspiration. This average is called IRV. Okay. Next. So next question, 10th question. So healthy person can inspire or expire approximately dash ml of air per minute. That is around 6,000 to 8,000 ml per minute. Got it? So what is this one? This is nothing but TV. What is the average of TV of healthy person per minute? That is around 6,000 to 8,000 ml per minute. So this is tidal volume. What is the tidal volume? A healthy person or man can inspire or expire approximately how much is that approximate of ml? That is around 6,000 to 800. That we are calling that tidal volume, TV.